Hi guys, how are you? So today I'm very much happy because I'm coming with a very good news about the status of the interview schedules in Ghana. Because many people have been asking me this question. The embassy in Ghana is not opening, is not scheduling the interview. So I usually tell people, first of all, the embassy doesn't make interviews, but the KCC, Kentucky Consular Center, is the one responsible for creating these interviews, scheduling these interviews. And the interviews are scheduled based on the case numbers. Then, after scheduling the interview, is when you receive the second notification letter to you, but another copy also goes to the embassy. But if the embassy is having many people or is not opening, embassy will reschedule the interview with you. Or if you are given the date of this day to do the interview and then you want to reschedule, you can ask the embassy. But the embassy by itself doesn't schedule in original interview schedule. So for quite some time, I haven't met any person who has been scheduled interview in Ghana. So this week, on Thursday, I had a conversation with one DVLOTTERY winner. I've been in conversation with that winner for quite some time. And she was asking me, so when will I getting my interview? So I know her case number is about 2,000 and something. So it's a very low case number. But she hasn't been received. So I told her, I believe this month of June, within the first 2 weeks, you'll be getting your second notification letter, and possibly your interview will be by the end of July or mid of July if you get 4 to 6 weeks depending. So on Thursday, and when on Thursday, which this ending week, which on Thursday it was on June 3rd, she received the, before she texted me, okay, so EBM, I haven't heard anything, this is very frustrating, whatever. I said, have you, I told you, your case number best up to now is supposed to get, but the embassy doesn't say, I told you the embassy doesn't schedule. I said, have you checked your emails or just on your DSC 260, sign in and check the status? So for her, she was thinking the KCC is sending the actual letter to the address. I told her no. So she told me she has received the email, which said as follows. I'm going to read it. This is what it said. Okay. Oh, just wait. So she asked like she asked if to be she has received the email. She has received the email to tell her to go to just to check like there is update from Department of State. So she didn't know what is that and where does she go. That's when I told her that is direct the second notification letter and where you're supposed to do. So she asked, just let me go to the exact what she said so that you can be in a good position. Okay. I say, so that was, first of all, on April 1st, she says, hello EBM, please, how are you? I still haven't received my email from whatever. Then April 19th, she hasn't received anything. She told me, hello EBM, please, how are you doing and your family? EBM, please, I still haven't received my notification letter. And the Ghana embassy is still silent. I usually tell people, the embassy doesn't do anything. Please, what is the reason? Is that my fate has already been decided? I told you, the embassy is not arranging interviews. Your case number is the one determining when you will be receiving the second letter. And she said, my number is about 2,000 range, and April is already ending. That was end of April. I told you, I sent you the audio. Let me play.
Okay, let me make it easier for you.
You see?
If you go to look on the visa bulletin.
So I explained to her What
So
is? Oh, sorry.
The month of October.
So,
October,
oh,
last
sorry.
year.
So I was already explaining to her what does that mean and everything. And then conversation has been, then May 21, she's still, please, Ghana embassy is still silent. I haven't heard the respondent, whatever. I said, relax, Ghana embassy doesn't do anything. I understand when I said to be receiving the second notification has nothing to do with the embassy. KCC will schedule this interview. You will be interviewed. So they said, that's me, I'm going to receive. And then it came, I said, just try to look to receive. And she got to tell me on Thursday now. She said, I received the email yesterday. Does this mean I have my second notification letter? I said, yes, go sign into a DS260 and you'll be able to see the letter. So she went and here is what happened. It's just, I don't know, can I be able to see the emojis of crying? She didn't believe that. I thought this was just a normal letter. I said, no, just go and check the email. There's no actual printed letter. It is a PDF letter, just like the first notification of winning. I said, everything is electronic. So she went there. I said, so it's not, this is the kind of notification. I said, yes, that is the letter. She went to check and she came back crying. She has been scheduled for July. The interview is in July. So already now people from Ghana, they're starting receiving the interview. But don't worry, I believe also other countries, they'll be doing that one. Because of the COVID, the schedules has been very, very slow. But I believe your turn will come and you'll be able to schedule. So all the best, people. Ghana, all the best for you. So now you can be able to relax and wait and see. I know all over Africa, they haven't exceeded, I mean, most of the interviews are about 7,000 going to 8,000 now. But it depends on the countries. Some of the people on 6,000 have got the interview schedule. Some not yet, but I wish all the best for everyone. I know it's tough for the DV 2021 winners and how we're in the month of June, few months left until end of September. So we'll see. Thank you, everybody, and all the best.